I had the weirdest dream. I like had sleep paralysis. Hey guys, so I am running so late, so freaking late. So I'm supposed to be somewhere, I'm scheduled to be somewhere at 10 a.m. It's 9:48 right now, and just know I'm nowhere near the place, and I just left my house. So there's that. I'm doing this thing, I'm so excited about it. I can't like say anything about it just yet. So tomorrow I fly out to New York. So there's that. You guys, I have like a jam-packed week. I didn't get much sleep. It's just like I can't sleep. Like, it's not that I can't because my body won't let me. I can't because I have so much work to do. I've gotten 6 hours of sleep in the past 48 hours. Love that for me. I had the weirdest dream, and I'm not sure if it's because I'm so tired. I'm a dreamer. I usually have like full-blown dreams almost every night. I had a dream that I was in New York, sleeping somewhere, I don't freaking know where. Something was telling me to go to this place. I can't remember what was telling me to go to this place, but there was some kind of being or entity telling me to go to this place. And the place was a laundromat, whatever. It was a laundromat that was established in 1888. That very specific year. It was established in 1888. But I don't think washing machines were around in 1888. It was just so weird that at some point, I think I woke up and then I typed it in my phone. Like, I literally typed it in my phone. I typed in laundromat in New York, 1888. So I looked up my browsing history for that morning, and this is what I typed in. I typed it in 3 times, and I typed it in incorrectly, but I'm pretty sure I typed it in 3 times because I was just confused. But I don't remember doing this. Like from 1888 or something like that. And then I just went back to sleep. I had a moment where I guess I was dreaming that I physically got out of bed, got up, noticed that I was late for this thing that I have to be at. Mind you, it was noon on the time in my dream, if that makes sense. It wasn't like 8 a.m. I was like, what the fuck? How did I sleep so long? And then I texted people that I have to meet up and told them and all. And I was like, hey, I'm running late. Yeah, I texted them in my dream. And then I'm like scrambling to get ready, but I can't get ready as quick as I can. You know when you be dreaming and you trying to rush and you can't rush like you want? Like when you're trying to run, you're like running like slow motion. You're like, whoa. Meanwhile, the fucking dark figure behind you is chasing you at full speed. And meanwhile, you running 2 miles per hour. Anyway, I'm like up trying to scramble to get ready. There was a certain point where I realized, wait, I'm fucking dreaming. Get the fuck up, bitch. I don't know if this makes sense. So in my dream, in my dream, there's a certain point where like it just started to not make sense. And then I was like, oh, I'm dreaming. Just wake up. Like, so you can get up and go. Because I was so stressed in the dream. I was like, just wake up. So I was trying to wake myself up, but it was weird because like it's like I opened my eyes, I reached for my phone, and then it like hit me. I like had sleep paralysis. I had my phone in my hand, and like I was just trying to like let go. You know what I mean? I don't know if anybody has ever experienced sleep oh my gosh. Wow, this person just almost like crashed into the guardrail. But I don't know if anybody has ever had sleep paralysis, but there is like a moment in like your sleep paralysis where like you feel like something has like a vice grip on you, and then like you're trying to like release the vice grip, and then it just releases, and then I wake up and my phone's in my hand, and then I look down, and then there's the fucking address of the laundromat. So here's the address that I found pulled up on my phone when I woke up. I don't remember typing this. I don't remember searching this. This address is clearly not in New York, and I know I stated in my dream that the laundromat was in New York, but this is the address that was on my phone. I don't know, I don't know if that made sense, but it was just like the weirdest thing ever. I didn't really have time to like sit there and process it because I had to get up and get ready because I was running so late, but I don't know what that means. I have no idea what it means. If any of you guys you know, stuck around for the whole story and you have any insight or have any opinions or any, you know, whatevers, comment it down below. I'm actually very curious. I just have like the weirdest dreams all the time and I never know what they mean. But a lot of my dreams are very similar to that. So, yeah. We're at the airport.
You